Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Poglam and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. By the way, I just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. We are more than 11,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel to join this family, please do so by subscribing to my channel and taking the next step further by clicking on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I make a new post here on YouTube. Okay, so now let's go for the tutorial for the business of the day. So today's tutorial will be very fast and quick. I'll be using Betterlenght hair. I did a tutorial on this hair already on my channel. I'm just going to leave it here for you guys to see in case you haven't seen the bridal inspirational style that I did with this extension. So today I'll be doing something really quick with the extension. I am going to use heat on the extension and I want to see how well the extension will hold on to heat. And yes, I'm going to do that today. So in my previous video where I talked about this brand and I used the extension for a bridal hairstyle, I did mention how beautiful the packaging is, as you can see, and the good thing also is that immediately I was done with that style, I just kept it in this bag and it has been here since then. So if you're buying from this brand, just know that you're going to have a cute bag to store your hair, which is so cool. Like if you have different extensions and you have a cute bag to store them in, it's just a blessing. Okay, so this is the extension. I showed you guys the hair and how beautiful it is, and I think it came in if I do remember, I think 10 of this, yes, 10 of the clip-ins. So today I'll just show you a simple way to style this hair without doing too much. I'm just going to use heat like I said, and to start with the hair, I'm just going to pull my hair in cornrows, and then yes, we're going to go straight into the tutorial for today.
Just a couple steps from going over the moon. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. Let me move with your body, baby.
So guys, this style is very easy to achieve. What I'm doing now is I'm putting my hair the ones that I would want to coil with the extension. So you just want to take out the hair that is enough for you to coil out to the extension. Now this Betterlenght hair is really soft, like I said in my first video of me reviewing this hair. This is their Kinky Coarse natural hair blowout extension and it's in the length 20 inches. Is the natural color. Like guys, this extension is just too soft and just so beautiful. I really do love this extension.
But I'll be waiting.
So when I started putting my hair in this cornrow style, I realized that there are so many ways to put your hair in cornrows. That is your hand angle, the way you start the cornrow and all that. I have never tried it this way before. I've seen some ladies on Instagram and YouTube cornrowing their hair or putting their hair in cornrows in this way, and I was really amazed and intrigued by it. You know, it's really totally different from the way I usually would want to cornrow my hair, and I tried it and yeah, it was pretty amazing. It was awesome. So what this is teaching me is that whatever you put your mind into doing, you can definitely do it. I know I put a lot of work into my videos, the content that I put out here for you guys, showing you guys different ways to care for your natural hair or even style your natural hair, and I'm getting a lot of feedbacks from you guys saying that my videos, you know, they've really helped you guys to care for your hair and the styles that you create as well. So don't give up, keep practicing. I know sometimes it can really be difficult for you to do some of these styles, but I know and I believe that if you put your mind into it, you will definitely get it someday. So before installing the clip-ins, I don't really care about clean lines on my cornrows. As you can see, I didn't even go in with my combs or anything. I just pull my hair in all back cornrows. And then when you want to use your clip-in, it's still very easy. It's still the same thing I showed you in the first video. You just want to open the clips, and that is basically what you need to do before you put it on your hair, and just clip it on back. That's how simple and easy it is with clip-ins.
Waiting for the moment to take me to you. Yeah,
and I also have a promo code, guys, just in case you want to use my promo code. It's just Upper Glams, and all the information you need to know about this hair is in my description box, so do check that out as well. The link to the hair, every information you need to know is in my description box, so please check that out as well.
with your body, baby. Let me move with your body, baby. Oh yeah.
To add that it is very important that if you're using heat on your natural hair, you want to protect your hair so that you don't get heat damage. I did use heat protectant, but I totally forgot to show you guys while I was using it. I use a Tresemme heat protectant spray on my hair, so it is very important that before you do this, you want to make sure that you protect your hair against you having heat damage. And guys, can you see the blend on this extension? Like, the blend of this hair is just taking the style from 10 to 100, like straight up 10 to 100. The blend is just amazing. And I did not only just use the brush or the corn hair comb on the hair alone, I use it on the extension as well, so everything just blends perfectly into the hair. As you can see on my hair, I don't know if you guys can see the heat protectant spray, it's a little bit shiny on my hair. So yes, it's very important that you want to protect your hair so you don't get heat damage.
For the moment to take me to you, yeah, I'll be waiting. Just a couple steps from going over the moon. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. Let me move with your body, baby.
So one thing I was so scared of while I was using this coiling wand was the fact that I just didn't want it to touch my skin or touch my hair, you know. Like, I just had to hold it in a way that it's safe for me. It's usually fun when I do it on someone else's hair, but doing it on my own hair, guys, I don't like using coiling wand. But because of this video and because I just want to show you guys how amazing this hair extension is and how well it will hold up to, you know, when you use heat on the hair, that is why I decided to use the coiling wand on myself. As you can see, I was trying so much for this thing not to touch me. Like, it was a whole struggle because I just don't like using it. I don't just like it. I've had a very nasty experience using coiling wand a long time ago, so I just don't like the fact that I was using this. I wanted to actually use a flexi rod or a bendy roller on to achieve heatless kind of curls, but then again I said, you know what, let me just show you guys with heat so you guys know that this hair extension or clipping is just amazing even with heat. So just ignore the way I am doing my you're using the coiling wand. I'm just trying to be extra careful. I don't want it to touch me, and that was just the best way I could hold it. But really, if you want to hold, the best way to use your coiling wand is to make sure the wand is facing, pointing downwards, not upwards, so that when you release the hair it just flows down. So yes, like I said, it was a struggle for me. I always like coiling wand, it freaks me out, but we have to do what we have to do. This is why we create content for you guys, right?
But I'll be waiting. feeling something special for you. And now you got me thinking till the sun comes up. Daylight and my mind is dreaming. And I'm saying too much couldn't be enough. But I'll be waiting for the moment to take me to you.
Let me just tell you guys, if you don't have these hair clippings, like, I don't even know what to say. It's just so beautiful. Can you see how transformed this kinky extension just went from 0 to 10? Can you see that? So what I did was I just separated the curls a little bit more and just fluff it out. So that is why I have more volume right now. So if you don't want to have more volume, and another thing that I did is that I didn't leave it on the coiling one for so long. I think it was like maybe almost 10 seconds and I was done. But can you see this hair? I'm coming, just hold on.
You're exotic. My eyes can see perfection in the way that you move. Boy, you got it. Devotion's getting stronger with all that you do. But I'll be waiting for the moment to take me to you. Yeah, I'll be waiting. I'm just a couple steps from going over the moon. I wanna move with your body, baby.
So here is one way to style this hair extension. Not so much activity going on. I'm just taking a little section of the hair and taking it all the way to the back, and then keeping it in with a bobby pin, and that is it. So there's so many ways. Even with this style like this, the bride can still rock it. Just put a bun at the back and you can roll it in, and voila, the bride is ready. Or if you're not a bride, girl, you need this extension. If you don't have this clip-ins, I don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until my next video, bye guys.
Feeling something special for you. And now you got me thinking till the sun comes up. Daylight and my mind is dreaming. And I'm saying too much couldn't be enough. But I'll be waiting